Are you missing out on the secret weapon that the top affiliate marketers are using to skyrocket their earnings? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how AI chatbots and virtual assistants can revolutionize your affiliate marketing strategy, doubling or even tripling your profits. Stay tuned to find out how. Imagine never losing a customer because they couldn't find the information they needed. AI chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring your audience gets answers to their questions any time of day or night. No more waiting hours or even days for a response. These advanced tools handle common queries instantly, guiding your customers through the purchasing process seamlessly. What makes this even more exciting is the impact on customer satisfaction. When customers get immediate responses, it builds trust and enhances their overall experience with your brand. This level of support can turn a hesitant visitor into a confident buyer, drastically increasing your conversion rates. It's like having a knowledgeable team member on standby, ready to assist every single visitor to your site. Here's something to think about. How would your business change if you could offer round-the-clock support without the added overhead costs? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Chatbots are revolutionary because they can personalize interactions based on user data. You see, every time a customer interacts with your site, they leave behind valuable data like their browsing history, product preferences, and even the types of questions they ask. Chatbots can analyze this information to offer tailored product recommendations and promotions. Imagine a visitor is browsing your website for fitness gear. The chatbot can track their activities and then suggest related items like protein supplements or fitness trackers. This isn't just a random guess. It's a personalized recommendation based on their browsing patterns. But it doesn't stop there. Chatbots can also remember past interactions, making future engagements even more efficient and personalized. For instance, if a customer previously bought running shoes, the chatbot might offer a discount on a matching outfit or recommend a new line of running accessories. These tailored interactions make customers feel understood and valued, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. So think about this. How much more effective would your affiliate marketing be if your recommendations were always spot on and tailored specifically to each visitor's unique preferences? Automating repetitive tasks with AI-driven chatbots are one of the most efficient ways to streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. Think about all those mundane tasks like sending follow-up emails, reminders, and promotional messages. Now, imagine having a chatbot handle all of that for you. This kind of automation frees up a significant amount of your time, letting you concentrate on more strategic planning and content creation. Let's delve into how chatbots manage follow-up emails. After a customer makes a purchase or signs up for a newsletter, a chatbot can immediately send a personalized thank you email. Not only does this provide a seamless user experience, but it also keeps your brand fresh in the customer's mind. Over time, the chatbot can schedule and deliver follow-up emails to remind customers of upcoming sales, new product launches, or abandoned cart items. The best part? It's all done automatically. Next, consider reminders. Without the need for manual input, chatbots can send timely notifications to your audience about important dates and promotions. For instance, they can alert users about an expiring free trial or an ongoing discount. These reminders keep your audience engaged without you lifting a finger. Promotion is another area where chatbots shine. They can shoot out promotional messages tailored to each user's preferences. Whether it's recommending new products based on past purchases or sending exclusive discount codes, chatbots make sure your promotional efforts are always on point and relevant. By automating these repetitive tasks, chatbots allow affiliate marketers to shift their focus to high-level strategies and creative initiatives. You'll find yourself with more time to develop compelling content and to fine-tune your marketing approach. So, the question is, How will you use AI-driven chatbots to transform your affiliate marketing strategy?